Hello everyone, welcome back, welcome to Shubham Pearls. Today's live video is about 35% discount on long harams, as we have been receiving requests to post new long harams. So today we have come up with long haram. You can check the designs, any design you like. We'll show you the MRP also. You can take a screenshot, reach us on our WhatsApp number directly. This all we have limited stock, so whoever pays first and confirms first will be allocated the order. So let's start the design. This is our first design for the day. Long broad bridal necklace, beautiful piece. And the price is around 3,000 rupees. We have two colors in this. We have green color also in this. Someone wants, they can take a screenshot. We have red color and green color also in this. Normal price is 3,000 rupees for this. So for today's deal you get 35% off on all the 3,500 rupees is the price. And this comes with this pair of jhumkis. Yes, we have both the colors. We have red color and green color also. Hello Andy, you can reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030271018. Our team will help you with the order processing and payment details. This is one more beautiful piece, long necklace with mangoes. And this comes with this jhumki and a screw back jhumki. And the price is 3,000 rupees for this. So you can order with us and you can claim the discount directly on WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number is 9030271018. Ma'am, each piece will be showcasing you the price, and as shown we are offering a discount today on long necklaces shown in video. So directly you can reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030271018. This is the design. These are the earrings, and it comes with this screw back, CZ stone. You can see the finishing, the shine. So don't miss the chance. The offer is only for today. Maybe stock may not be available for tomorrow for booking. Next beautiful piece. See this piece. Peacock design with CZ stones. Available in red color and green color also. I'll show you a close-up view of this. And we have green color also available in this. Someone wants, they can take a screenshot. This beautiful necklace. And coming to the price, this is price 4,700. So you can claim your discount on this on WhatsApp number. The price is 4,700 rupees for this. And we have got green color also in this. This is little expensive because of the stones that are being used and the number of stones. You can see this number of stones also, the size of the stones. and these are its earrings. Price is 4,700 rupees for this. The price is 3,700 rupees for this. So someone wants, they can take a screenshot and reach us on the WhatsApp number. We'll move to the next design now. And the offer is valid only for today. Let me clear you that the offer is valid only for today. So someone wants to claim something, please do claim it today itself. And I can tell you a suggestion that if you like something, there is 35% off on the MRP, ma'am, in long necklaces that are shown in live video today. And most of the pieces would be sold out from by the day end. So what we would request you is to take a screenshot at the time of live video if you like anything, and reach us on our WhatsApp number directly and book it then itself. If you wait till the end of the video, maybe a few pieces are already sold out. This one beautiful piece, we have it in ruby color also, and we have it in green color also. It comes with this earrings and screw back, and to be precise, the price is 2,900 rupees for this. 2,900 rupees is the price. Ma'am, we have made it very clear in the morning itself that all the showcase is only about long necklaces. You can check our gallery for simple necklaces. We assign a day for every necklace, every design. So for today we have made it only for long necklaces in golden and diamond polish. You can check Gutta Pusalu video, madam. Gutta Pusalu video is a one posted 3-4 days back. You will find the video of Gutta Pusalu also. And this is a long necklace, CZ stones with GJ polish. And this comes with this pair of earrings, jhumkas, and the price is 2,900 rupees. We have both the colors, red color and green color. Going to the next design. This is the offer that is being, ma'am, we are repeating the prices each design. After each design is being shown, we are showcasing you the prices and also the design and if colors are available. So we are making it sure that everything is clear in the video with price. And the offer that is going on is this offer. Check this piece, beautiful piece. This comes with this peacock pendant and green color stone with white stone. What we are showing is the actual price, madam, and you'll get a discount on that. The price for this necklace is 3,100 rupees. So you get an equivalent 35% discount on the MRP. Check this piece. This comes with this pair of earrings. So this we have only one piece available in stock. So whoever orders first, books first, will be getting this piece. There is no other piece available in this. So don't delay, book it right now. Take your screenshot, reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030271018. Going to our next design. This beautiful piece. Wow. Check this piece, beautifully crafted, and the shine, the finishing is beautiful. It comes with screw back earrings. Comes with this earrings. Screw back it is. And the price for this piece is again 2,900 is the price. So you get a discount of 35%, which is valid only for today. Don't miss this chance. Comes with screw back earrings. You can take a screenshot. You can look at the finishing stones. This we'll move to the next design. The price for this is 2,900. You can claim your discount on this. Let's move to the next design. Wow, this beautiful long necklace, Andy. This is almost 24-inch long. The price is 3,000 rupees for this, and it comes with this pair of earrings. Beautiful pair of earrings. 3,000 rupees is the price for this. Diamond polish, and you can check. Same piece is available in silver. I think many of our clients have asked for only earrings of this piece, which we may not have given to them. This is 3,000 rupees, and you can claim your discount on your WhatsApp number 9030271018. This is also single piece, ma'am, left out. There is no other color available in this, so someone wants, they can book your order directly. Let's move to the other design now. Check this piece, Giza polish necklace. Beautiful piece. And the price is 3,000 rupees for this, so you get a discount on that. You can check this piece. And it comes with this pair of earrings. Thank you, Andy, Vignesh Garu. So you can claim your offer right now. The offer is only for today.
Hello.
You can take a screenshot if you like something from this. And this is one more beautiful piece, Andy. Till now many of you have seen only green, more of green colors, but this red color with peacocks and mangoes. And the price is 3,000 rupees for this. It comes with this earrings with screw back, Andy. So someone wants, they can take a screenshot. The price is 3,000 rupees. Free shipping in India. And we'll be moving to golden polish necklace also soon. So someone waiting for, I have received messages for regarding gold and polish necklaces, so we'll show that also, ma'am. We have 2-3 pieces more in good diamond polish in this offer. Sir, we have we have all the payment gateways, sir. We use Google Pay, Phone Pay, we use UPI ID, we have bank transfers. So we have all the options of payments. Definitely I'll ask to check what is the issue with the payment. This one more necklace, beautiful piece with so many seasoned stones, and it comes with this earrings and this screw back earrings. And you can see the finishing in the stein. The price is 3,400 rupees for this necklace. So you can claim your 35% discount on our WhatsApp number directly. This is also single piece we have. We don't have colors in this. Ma'am, we don't have full bridal sets, ma'am. We sell only single pieces. You can mix and match and make a bridal as per your requirement, ma'am. We have 5-6 designs of bridal. There is a keyword called SPJ Bridal which you can search on Instagram. You'll get all the bridal collection directly over there. And there's a close-up view. Sure, sir. Our team is responding to your WhatsApp, sir. You can check your WhatsApp. And the price is 3,400 rupees for this. No, ma'am. This earring single ka rao, madam. This comes as set with set only, madam. Single is not available in this. Yeah. This is economical range long necklace. Just 99 rupees is the price for a long necklace. So you can claim your 35% discount on that also. Then moving to the next design, this is done with our golden polish necklaces in long. We'll shift to our golden polish necklace right now. From this, all these showcase right now are all golden polish only from here. So these are all beautiful pieces with excellent quality. And when you are dealing with Shubham Pearls and Jewelry, you can be assured that you are getting the best quality design and quality from us. The GJ set that I have shown is 1900 rupees, madam, long necklace. And I'll show the price also. Let me show you this necklace first. This is a long necklace. We don't sell any kind of copied pieces, madam. So we deal only in premium quality and premium polish itself. And this comes with this earrings. Comes with screw back. Check this piece of earring. And the price for this is 2,600 rupees is the price. Price is 2,600 rupees for this. For order, you can reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030271018. Going to the next design, little simple design, multicolored. Check this piece. पूजा ये सीधा कर बेटा. निकाल के लगाना, हुक निकालना. अच्छा These are beautiful simple necklace, ma'am. You can check this earrings. It comes with this necklace and this screw back earrings. And the price for this is 2400 rupees is the price, ma'am. If someone wants, they can take a screenshot, reach us on our WhatsApp number and claim your offer. I have few pieces, ma'am. I'll show you over the time, madam. I'm showing all the designs that I have in this offer right now. This one more beautiful gold look jewelry long necklace, peacocks. This comes with this pair of earrings and this is a long necklace. And the price for this is 1900 rupees is the price. So 35% discount you can claim on this. Hurry up. Limited stock we have only 1122 pieces in this. Lakshmi Garu, hi Andy. This beautiful peacocks. Someone wants, they can take a screenshot. This piece is a marvelous piece Andy. Uncut stones and seeded stones, so peacock design ochindi. I can tell you this beautiful piece, and the designing is also, I am very fine Maggie Garu. You can see the uncut stones and seeded stones together. And it comes with peacock design and pearl drops. Long Andy. Ma'am, whatever price we are giving you is the net price, the store price. On that you get 35% discount, ma'am. The prices that we show are direct prices that we sell online or offline or store purchase, that is the same price. But for today there is 35% discount on the live video which you can claim on WhatsApp. This piece, and this comes with this pair of earrings Sunday. You can see the earrings also uncut stones and the screw back earrings, and the price for this is 2500 is the price. 2500 rupees is the price Andy. So you can reach us on our WhatsApp and claim your discount if you like the design, and we provide free shipping in India. Most of the designs that we have showcased in live video are almost booked right now. As per the update I have from our team, most of the designs are already booked. So do not delay. So do not delay Andy. Meek nachute, you can book it immediately. Do not wait till the end of the show because pieces are getting booked fastly. This is one more beautiful piece. You can see the stone, the finishing, the polish, golden polish on the Andy, long necklace Andy. And the price is 2800 rupees for this. So this is, someone wants, they can take a screenshot. And these are its earrings. It comes with screw back earrings and a red color stone low. Price 2800 rupees is the price, ma'am. It doesn't have any kind of peacocks or Lakshmi Devi. So someone who is looking for such kind of designs, they can also book. Claim your offer on WhatsApp directly. No madam, we do not have any kind of Vardhanam in sale today madam. Only it is for long necklaces that are shown in live video only. We have not posted long necklace designs over a time, so we have been receiving messages regarding long necklaces. So today we have tried to show many of the designs. This piece, beautiful piece, long necklace, comes with same jhumki. Shirisha Garu, we have everything that you require. You can directly reach us on our WhatsApp number. Let us know your requirement. We'll share you the keyword that will help you to find the designs. Maggie Garu, by the time I keep the design or the video in IGTV, most of the designs will be sold out, madam, because we are getting design bookings parallelly on WhatsApp. So something you like, you can directly book it on WhatsApp, then and there itself take a screenshot. The price is 2200 rupees for the long necklace, and if after discount you can claim on WhatsApp direct discounted price. We'll go to the next design. Someone wants, they can take a screenshot. This one more beautiful premium quality CZ stones necklace andi, broad necklace andi. Chala baagundi. If you want to wear it with for wedding or something, this is something which you should book definitely. Check this piece. Long necklace. Haram andi, CZ broad haram. We'll post it in IGTV, madam. You can check if something you like. You can reach us on our WhatsApp. Someone wants, they can take a screenshot of this. And this comes with this pair of earrings. See the pair of earrings that I'll show. So something you like, you can directly book. Yeah, I'll show the price also, ma'am. Let me check the price. The price is 3,200 rupees for this. 3,200 is the price. So you can claim your 35% discount. Ledu madam, I am telling you the actual price that is mentioned on the product. You can claim your 35% discount on our WhatsApp number and get a discounted price directly. The prices that we are showing are actual prices. You can claim your discounted prices on your WhatsApp number. And the number is 9030271018. It comes with screw back earrings and a CZ golden polished long necklace. If I tell with discount, madam, that will be more delay, madam, as many people are waiting for the designs to come. You can directly calculate, or you can reach us on our WhatsApp number. We'll calculate and we'll tell you the discounted price also. No, madam, whatever price is being shown on the video, on that you get 35% discount. That is what we are saying on WhatsApp also, madam. Only to the designs that are showcased in live video, not other designs, ma'am. The designs that we are showing in this video, you can take a screenshot and reach us on our WhatsApp number. If you are asking for the designs that are showcased in live video right now, they'll offer you a discount, madam. The other designs, there is no discount on that. Check this beautiful two-line haram. Price is 2600 rupees for this two-line haram andi. Beautiful piece. Antique matte, antique gold look andi. This beautiful piece, and someone wants, they can take a screenshot. The price is 2900 rupees for this, actual price. So you can claim your discount on WhatsApp directly. Santosh Rani Garu, we are updating many new earrings, madam. You can check our gallery in Innaguda. In the evening we have updated new designs. More designs are coming. We'll update today. Check this piece. Long necklace, peacock mayura haram andi. And the price for this 2400 rupees is the price. Someone wants, they can take a screenshot, reach us on our WhatsApp number directly. And I'll repeat, there are only one pieces of this design, so whoever books first and pays the confirmation will be getting the order. We do not have any kind of cash on delivery for these products, and there is nothing called a hold the piece, keep it aside. There is no such facility available right now for the offer products. And let's move to the next design. This very simple design, someone was asking a simple necklace, so this is a simple design and the price is 1900 rupees. WhatsApp number is 9030271018, ma'am. I'll repeat and I'll type also for the ease. See, you can check our comment over there. You can check this piece, and this comes with this pair of jhumki andi. I'll show you the pendant set. The price is 1900 rupees for this actual price. Lakshmi Garu, hi Andy. Someone wants, they can take a screenshot. We'll move to the next design. Wow, this is something beautiful piece. Elegant look and grand look andi. Chala baaguntundi. You can pair it up with some of the chokers. Golden choker also you can pair it up, or antique choker kuda pair cheyochu. Chala baaguntundi. It comes with peacocks, multicolor, and this floral design. The price for this is 2500 rupees is the price, ma'am. Actual price is 2500 rupees. 2500 rupees is the actual price. So it comes with this pair of jhumki andi. And screw back it is. This pair of jhumki, this piece. Price is 2500 rupees. Let's move to other design andi. Next design. Check this piece. Simple design. Price is also 2000 rupees only, and free shipping in India. Golden polish andi. Price is 2000 rupees for this. 2000 is the price. So you can claim your discount on our WhatsApp number. Someone wants, they can take a screenshot, reach us on directly on our WhatsApp. Let's go to the next design, and this is the last design for the day in the offer price. And as soon as the video is completed, we'll be posting this video on our IGTV. You can directly check our IGTV. Wow, this beautiful peacock with Lakshmi Devi design andi. లేదు madam, there is no Ram Parivar in this live video, madam. There is no Ram Parivar in this live video. Maybe you can search in our Instagram and you can check Ram Parivar designs. Or there is a IGTV posted only for Ram Parivar and Lakshmi Devi designs. You can check that also. Check this piece, beautifully crafted. 2400 rupees is the price. This comes with this pair of earrings. Comes with this pair of earrings. Thank you everyone. Reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030271018, and this offer is valid only for today. Thank you.